In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the SUMIF and SUMIFS functions in Excel to calculate totals based on specific criteria. These functions are incredibly useful for analyzing data, especially when you have a large dataset and need to aggregate information quickly and effectively. Let's start by heading over to your 365 Office account. Once you're logged in, click on Excel. You'll find that it automatically redirects you to a browser interface where you can access your Excel files. Locate the specific workbook you're working with and open it directly in Excel. For this example, we'll focus on finding the total sales of clothing products while excluding accessories. To accomplish this, we'll utilize the SUMIF function. Begin by typing in the formula starting with an equal sign followed by SUMIF. As you start typing, you'll notice the formula suggestion appears. Simply click on it to begin. Now let's focus on selecting the appropriate range for your category. Click on the cell range that contains your category data and immediately follow this with a comma in the formula bar. Next, type the word clothing enclosed in quotation marks to specify that you're interested in this particular category. Once that's set, move on to selecting the range for your sales data. This is the range that contains all the sales figures related to your products. After making these selections, hit enter, and what you'll see is the total sales for clothing products instantly calculated and displayed right in front of you. Now, let's take it a step further using the SUMIFS function to filter your data further. This time, we'll find the total sales of clothing items with values above 150. Start again by typing an equal sign followed by SUMIFS. When the formula suggestion appears, click on it just like before. Your first selection will be the range from the sales column because that's where we're calculating the total from. After selecting this, place a comma in the formula field. The next step involves selecting the cells from your category. Add another comma, then type clothing within quotes once more. This ensures we're focusing solely on the clothing category. Now you'll select your sales column again, but this time, let's add criteria to filter out smaller sales numbers. Follow your selection with a comma and then type 150 within quotation marks. This step filters the results to only include sales figures greater than 150. Once you've completed all these selections, press enter, and there you have it, the total sales for clothing items that exceed the threshold of 150. This formula allows you to pinpoint sales performance with more precision and ensures your data analysis is both targeted and efficient. With these steps, you've just mastered the use of SUMIF and SUMIFS functions in Excel, empowering you to perform more sophisticated data analysis with ease.